Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well, and if you don't know me, I am Sana and I make beauty videos on this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and follow me on my Instagram account. I'll leave the link down below. Anyways, here I am sitting in front of you guys to share my hair care routine. I don't have the longest of hair, but the thing is, I had really thin hair. Now that I've taken care of them, they have gone stronger and they have gone thicker. So I'll be telling you how I did that. So I think without further ado, let's just get into the video. So before starting the video, let me tell you I have color treated hair. I have dyed my hair, so I'll be telling you a few products that are good for color treated hair and products that are good for straightening and stuff like that. Okay, so let's just start with let's just start with my shampoo, right? I use this shampoo. It's of Schwarzkopf and it's a very good brand. Actually, the lady who dyed my hair told me to use this shampoo, and seriously, it's really good. I tried this shampoo and it's really good, and it doesn't make my hair oily. And trust me, my hair used to get oily in a day, but after using this shampoo, that's not the case, right? So after shampooing my hair, I can use a conditioner, and this is the conditioner I use. It's of Dove. It smells really good, and it's the color care shampoo because I have color treated hair, so I need that protection. So yeah, conditioner is really important. आप कोई भी use कर लो, but it is really important. It makes your hair really soft. So what I do is, I have straight hair naturally, so what I do is I just put the conditioner on the ends, because if I put it on the roots, they get really flat, so I don't put it in the roots, right? So that's what I do. Shampoo and conditioner done. So after showering, what I do is I sometimes, oh yeah, before that I'll tell you, sometimes I use this hair mask. It's also from the same brand, and I think I don't have to say much about this hair mask. Like, it definitely makes my hair soft, but what I do is, like, if I have to go to an event or some place, I use it a day before, because it makes my hair really greasy. Like that day, the day I use it, it makes my hair greasy, so I use it a day before. I shower my I shampoo my hair and then I put it on. That's what the instructions say. And then I just wash it off, like I just rinse it off. Okay, so it is good, but I don't use it the day I have to go somewhere. Okay, so hair mask done. Then there is another hair mask, and I think it is one of the best hair masks out there, and I think everyone should have that hair mask. It's of this it's of Vatika. It is divine, literally it is divine. It is the hair Mayonaisse, and what you have to do is, you have to put it 3 minutes before showering. This is really good. To all that jazz, what I do is, I don't put a lot of heat in my hair. Like I don't straighten much, I don't curl much, but yeah, definitely sometimes I let my hair air dry, but sometimes I just blow dry them to make them dry. That's it. I don't put a lot of excessive heat on my hair, and even if I'm not putting any heat on my hair. Like, even if I'm not blow drying, what I do is I use heat protectant. Heat protectant is really important, guys, because it's so hot and we need to protect our hair. So I use this one whenever I'm not putting anything in my hair, any heat. So I use this one. It's of Garnier. It smells really good, and I think it does the job well. And when I'm blow drying, or whenever I'm straightening or stuff like that, I use this one. This is for blow drying purpose. Schwarzkopf's heat protectant. It's also really good. I use this too whenever I'm putting heat in my hair. वैसे नहीं करती, ठीक है? And then coming on to, I think, no, one more thing. Whenever I have a hairspray in my hair, I make sure I just don't go in the shower and wash it off. I put aloe vera gel in my hair. Just put aloe vera gel 30 minutes before taking the bath. This makes my hair really soft, and it makes the hairspray go away very easily. And this is the tip I learned from Dua Siddiqui. She's a YouTuber as well. I'll link her page down below. She is amazing. Go check her out. I think there are two things that are really important and they should be incorporated in the hair care regime. I think one is everyone knows about it but nobody follows it. Like a lot of people follow it as well but not everyone, and that is oiling. Oiling is really important. Like you should oil your hair twice a week, right? Twice a week to must hai, it should be done. And the oil I use is this olive oil. I mix it with castor oil and it gives so much moisture. So olive oil is a must. Like even if you don't want to use olive oil, go for another oil, go for coconut oil, go for almond oil, go for any other oil, then add castor oil. बहुत important है for growing your hair, for making them thick. ठीक है, so just mix, like if you're taking half quantity of olive oil, take this much quantity of castor oil and that will do. And if you can't get your hands on this hair mask, what you can do, वैसे it is easily available. If it's not available, what you can do is you can use egg, yogurt and mayonnaise, and you can mix a little bit of olive oil or any other oil in it and put that mask in your hair. Let it sit for like 1 hour or 2 hours and then take a shower. If you have coarse hair, it will make your hair soft, right? So that's it. I think this was my hair care routine. It wasn't so elaborate, but I think these are the things that work for me, and I'll be trying out new things for my hair. I'll be sharing that with you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I think that's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.